Hi guys, my name is Johnny. Today I bring to you Honda Civic 2020. I will show you how is coming better performance and run away very faster. But first, if you are new my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You never miss my updates. And you are already my subscriber, then thank you a lot. Let's come to see video how to fabricate your Honda Civic for better performance. You have to fabricate from downpipe. You can see 2.5-inch fitting stainless steel from down and make TIG welding. Very good looking, you see there, wow, it's professional works. And make state pipe from middle also. Then you can install one resonator muffler for good noise. Making also flanges 2.5-inch, you can remove easily. And finally we are here in back. Back exhaust is very attractive looking, for Honda performance. You can install the big muffler exhaust like 3-inch, 3.5-inch, and also can 4-inch for your attraction cars. Then making pipe stainless steel 2.5-inch with joining your muffler exhaust. Trust me, your car ready for runaway, very faster and giving good performance. So how was my video? Just comments and like. Most of thing, I need your support. If you support me, I will bring to you latest performance works. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.